Hello, today we will guide you through how to save code in Google Colab. If you are working in Google Colab and want to make sure your code is kept for later use, this process is quick and simple. In this walkthrough, we will show you how to create a notebook and then save a copy of it to your Google Drive so you can return to it anytime. To begin, open Google Colab and make sure you are on the Welcome to Colab page. This is the main starting screen where you can create and manage notebooks. If you are new to Colab, think of it as an online coding notebook that lets you write and run Python code directly in your browser without needing to install anything on your computer. Once you are on the Colab welcome screen, look to the top left area and click on Code. This opens a new code notebook where you can begin writing or pasting your code. This is the workspace where your programming cells will appear, and it is the place you will eventually want to save. After the notebook opens, move your attention to the top menu bar and click on File. The File menu contains several options related to managing your notebook, including creating, opening, renaming, and saving. This is the section you will use whenever you want to store your work properly. From the File menu, click on Save a Copy and Drive. This is the key step. When you choose this option, Google Colab creates a saved version of your notebook in your Google Drive. That means your code is no longer just sitting in a temporary notebook window. Instead, it becomes a file you can reopen, organize, and edit later. This is especially helpful if you are experimenting with code, building a project over time, or simply want to avoid losing your work. Saving a copy and drive also makes it easier to access your notebook from different devices, as long as you are signed into the same Google account. After you select that option, Colab will automatically generate the saved notebook for you. In many cases, you may notice the notebook title update, which is a helpful sign that your file has been stored in Drive successfully. And that's all it takes to save code in Google Colab. Open the Welcome page, create a code notebook, go to the File menu, and save a copy in Drive. It's a simple habit that can save you time and protect your work every time you code in Colab.